Hey loves, hope you all are doing well. So today I will be recreating KIARA ADVANI'S Bhool Bhulaiya 2's look. First step first, my skin. I will moisturize my face very well until it gets tacky. Now for base, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. For foundation, I am using Blue Heaven's Hyper Matte Foundation and will blend it with a damp sponge. Now straight to my eyes, I am applying NY BAE's eye primer. Then I am using an orangish brown tone from the palette and will blend it thoroughly. For brows, I am using Blue Heaven's eyebrow pencil. Now I am applying Blue Heaven's eye kajal and will smudge it with some black shadow. Then on the top, I am applying a liquid liner to make it more prominent. Love with my eye look. After that comes contour and concealing. I will use my finger in this process because my finger is my best friend while doing my makeup. After that, I will take some loose powder and will set all my makeup. Now, it's my favorite part. I will apply some blush on my cheekbones. Just curling my mascara to enhance my eyelashes. I am using a lip liner to overline my lips and then using Matterific lipstick from Plum. Now, here is my final look. Hope you enjoyed this video.